After tomorrow, firms engaged in efforts to extracting 1.4 billion barrels of economically recoverable oil will be in position to firm up awards of contracts in the fields of engineering, procurement and construction. That is incumbent upon the scheduled signing of the final investment decision.
Those who have the money will look at all those laws, will look at all these agreements that have been signed and weigh whether actually their money is safe. And therefore, making that final decision that they are going to put their money and go into production is ideally what is a final investment decision. It is the decision to actually bring the money and start operations.
Basically put, the final investment decision offers necessary assurances and certainty to investors, importantly in situations like ours, where the activities were oftentimes on and off.
A number of contractors that are now working in the fields were using conditional award letters, which means you've been confirmed as someone who's going to provide services or goods, but you don't have a permanent contract to say you are actually certain and confident that you now have the contract to deliver for the pipeline project and the upstream work that is going on in the oil fields. So with the final investment decision, it means that now contractors can do their work with confidence, knowing that there's no turning back.
The chain of activities held pivotal for the signing of the final investment decision tomorrow include the 2021 signed two separate host government agreements, Tariff Transportation Agreement and the Shareholders Agreement between the governments of Uganda and Tanzania with the oil firms Total E&P and China National Offshore Oil Corporation.
Get the oil out of this country to the market when we have the pipeline. And therefore, even if we concluded that actually we have the oil and in large quantities, but you are not able to move this oil to the market, then an investor will not be able to make the final investment decision. Yes, you have the oil, they're interested in this oil, they would want to invest in it, but unless certain things happen and they are sure that actually they will be able to access the market, then they will not make that decision.
The signing down of the final investment decision is expected to launch a flurry of activities.
It's not just the oil sector that's going to benefit. Think about the housing sector, for example. Think about the bankers. Think about the lawyers. Yeah? Think about agriculture, a basic thing such as food. There's going to be catering services required, campsite services. We expect to see a lot more people in the fields out there along the pipeline route.
An estimated $10 billion, approximately or about 36 trillion shillings, is expected to be injected in the economy in the course of the next 3-year development phase. 2025 is projected the period for the first production of oil to be transported through a 1,443 heated pipeline from Hoima to Tanga at the Indian Ocean in Tanzania. Jackson Onyango, NTV.
Okay, am I free?